Okay, be careful. Okay, we gotta roll it up a little bit because we gotta be careful.
Throw it in.
Throw it in. Throw it in, Lyndon.
Throw it in. You gotta throw it in his mouth.
Throw it in his mouth, but don't touch his teeth.
Yeah.
Whoa, there you go.
Throw it in again. There you go.
Whoa.
You're good, Lyndon.
Yeah, throw it in. Oh.
Try to throw it in his mouth. Here, open your mouth. I can't get it. There you go. There's one.
Is that, you like that, zebra?
Throw it in his mouth. Oh, I hit his tooth. Oh, there you go. Open. Oh, I hit his tooth.
Throw it. Throw it, Lyndon.
You're good. Throw it. Yeah. We're going to put it all over the car. There you go. That's, okay, stop.
Okay, there's going to be more zebras. Oh, here comes more.
Oh, who cares? You don't get any kind of action like that. He's still hungry. Get back. Can't move, zebra.
Keep going, Dad.
I can't. I keep hitting his tooth. Let the other people feed him.
Yeah.
I didn't want to.